The community was really eager to get healthy, but then there's always this issue of how do you pay for it? How do you pay for these classes? Thanks to a sponsorship from Blue Cross Blue Shield of Alabama, we're able to provide free cooking classes and free exercise classes. So you come here to the park Monday through Friday, 6 to 7. We have Zumba, we have yoga, we have kickboxing, we have line dancing classes. There's something for everyone, even a senior fit class.
Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Alabama cares about the health of Alabamians. If we can do all that we can to help them lead a healthier lifestyle, whether it's providing resources, tools, encouraging them to go see their doctor, whatever that might be, we know if we can get them to lead a healthier life, that'll mean lower healthcare costs and also a healthier Alabama.
Getting people outside, getting to know local chefs and different food preparations, getting exposed to different types of foods, I think is really healthy for the community. Your health is 4 things. It's personal, it's preventative, predictive, and participatory. So they're all based on the participation of your food intake, your food making. And so I think that's how someone gets and stays healthy, is by participating in making of food that can be personal to them and predictive of their health and prevent disease.
Physical activity is very important. I mean, when you can go back to your health, think about it. If you're immobile, your bones are gonna ache. So you have to stay moving, stay active, and stay happy.
We not only want people to come to the park and enjoy the park for concerts and events, we want you to live a long, healthy life. And so we have a responsibility to the public that we serve to protect them. And what better way to protect the public that we serve than to provide access to healthy cooking classes, to exercise classes.
Parks and Recreation takes health and wellness very seriously. Adding an amenity to one of our parks is very exciting. Blue Cross Blue Shield headquarters are here in Hoover, so it really made it interesting and exciting to want to bring the fitness court to Hoover.
We couldn't ask for a better response, whether it's from the municipalities where these fitness courts are being placed, to the community, to the residents there who are using them. We're getting the results that we were hoping to see. Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Alabama recognizes that if we can support health and wellness initiatives that help Alabamians with their overall health, including mental, physical, getting the right nutrition that they need, the exercise that they need, at the end of the day, we are going to have a healthier Alabama.